Fam Fam, it's time to dive here to the Grand Reach Energy. Today I have for you something different from Sneak Energy. This is, believe it or not, this is Blizzard 2nd edition. Now I have not had this before. This is a limited time flavor available this winter 2021. I'm going to open it and drink it and let you know exactly what I think, what it tastes like, everything. So let's get down to it. Alright, that was easy to open. Ooh, that's interesting. That's an interesting smell. Let's it smells like lemon almost, but we'll see. Got my trusty shaker here. Go ahead and put my scoop in. Pretty good sized scoop. That's all I need, just one. Put the lid back on. My water. Alright, now we're going to put the mixture on here. Here's the lid. Make sure it's on tight. Okay, I don't know where that came from, but alright, let's open and give it a try. It does have a lemony smell to it. Huh. And it is kind of yellow too. Huh. Let's give it a try. Mmm. Okay. Lemonade. Exactly what it tastes like. Lemonade. Like fresh squeezed lemonade. And it is so good. Sneak, I don't know what you're doing, but it's good. It's fantastic. Another one for the shelf. As you see, the shelf is a bit bare. That's because it's a new year. I'm going to add up with new things instead of just keeping what we have. Well, I mean, I have the stuff that was on the shelf. I want to keep it, but it's 2021. I think we all need to forget about 2020. So let's new shelf. Yeah, and like I said, 5 out of 5 seal of approval. That is standing right there, right next to my Purple Storm, which is another good one. Anyway, I'll see you on the next episode of Grand Reach Energy.